Hello, welcome to this new Supersprox performance kit video. Today we will talk about the new high-quality line by Supersprox. The motorcycle market is evolving very quickly. In recent years, we have seen brands from China and India enter the market, brands that create beautiful and durable bikes at a very affordable price. This means that the world of spare parts also has to adapt to this trend and create efficient yet competitively priced replacements. With this in mind, Supersprox, which is one of the leading brands in the secondary transmission world, has developed a new range of sprockets and chains, specifically designed for these competitively priced motorcycles. The new performance line by Supersprox consists of the rear and engine sprockets and chain. The performance kits are intended for small and medium displacement motorcycles, from 50 to 500 cubic centimeters. For example, Vogue Valico, Benelli TRK 502, Zontes, YZF 125R, KTM Duke 125 and similar motorcycles. We are talking about durable and competitively priced kits that are designed to last and have an excellent quality to price ratio. The keyword is resistance. Starting with the sprockets and pinions, whose teeth have been induction hardened to increase the life by over 30%. The chain has also been redesigned, with new, thicker side plates. Reducing both wear and friction, the individual elements of the kit have been selected and matched for even more efficient operation. This allows the entire kit to have an even longer lifespan. The new performance line kits from Supersprox are the perfect answer to the motorcycles entering the market at this time. They are solid, durable, dependable, and have an excellent quality to price ratio. These kits are already available, and you can get more information by searching keywords Supersprox Performance Kit or visiting our website for details.